I want to add in another scenario now. The stock rank isn't 85, but it has weakened. Maybe it's gone below 90, but this stock is still trending really nicely. I might not be ready to leave the party just yet and sell my stock, but I have got another Ichimoku line here called the Tenkan-sen, which is the fast line. And you can see that the price sometimes can shoot up and ride along the top of the Tenkan-sen. And if it trends, it can carry on doing that for quite a while. It doesn't last as long as the Kijun-sen can last, but it can be a way of really taking advantage of a strong up move. So what I could say is if the stock rank drops below 90, then maybe I move my stop loss to here, the Tenkan-sen. So how do I do that? I'm going to create a new screen. I'm going to add a rule. Again, I'm going to say stock rank. Latest less than 90. I'm going to save it, and I'm going to call that adapt stock rank 90. So now if the stock rank is less than 90, the adapt screen triggers. Go back to my portfolio, and I'm going to add this in. Hashtag adapt stock rank 90. So when I add an adapt signal in, I've got to tell it where I want it to move the stop loss to. So now I want to say adapt Tenkan-sen. We've got a way to define a portfolio and the default stop loss. And with the default stop loss, it will exit automatically if the price drops below that level using the sell functionality. We've got the ability to specify a buy screen and the parameters that activate the buy. We've then got the ability to tighten the stop loss based on a set of rules, the adapt screen. And then finally, as well as exiting based on a stop loss, we can also define a condition in the sell directive that will get us out of the stock immediately. So you've got a portfolio, a buy screen, an adapt screen, and a sell screen. The portfolio points to each of those different screens and defines the rules about how you buy into the portfolio. Have a go at building your own version of this. Play around and try to replicate this and see if you can make it work. It's quite hard for me to show you the stocks adapting and exiting because the stock ranks have to move and shift. I can't show you that in one day because the stock ranks are static for the day. So maybe I'll revisit this portfolio later on perhaps and show you how it's changed and what adaptions, buying and selling has gone on as a result of that.